Right, continuing our walk. This is what I found. Another abandoned building, which was obviously a farm, I imagine. But as I think you probably know from previous videos, I love classic cars. This country is full of barn finds. They're everywhere. This is one I found. So I think you can probably realise that is a old Mercedes from the 60s, I would have thought. I don't know what model it was, but it's got the headlights one on top of the other, hasn't it? So someone can probably let me know on that. I'm going to go in here, but I've got to be a bit careful, obviously, because I don't think there's anyone around. And this is, as you can see, this is deserted. So we'll have a quick look. But it's just amazing, the old cars they have here. I mean, where we park in a car park in Castelo Branco, it's actually under the road, and there is old cars just sitting there with dust on. There's a Fiat 127 there, a Fiat 128, Fiat Coupe, 3 Series BMW, just sits there, and you think, God. But anyway, as you can see, there's the Merc. It's obviously had a few parts missing, but yeah, I think you could restore that. But look at this Peugeot 403. When did you see one of those? Now, I mean, that's got to be from the 50s, isn't it? To be fair, that is really going back. I don't think it's restorable, this one. So if you look in there, there's not much left of the floor or the steering wheel. So that's been here quite a while, I think. But what a find, eh? What a find. But this is in central Portugal, and it's just, it's like going back 50 years, you know, in Britain. Yeah, it really is amazing. I mean, this is, look at this. Look. And that Merc in there. I think that might be restorable, but I'll leave that to someone else to do. It's a lovely old building. Anyway, I think we'll get out of here anyway before we get someone with a shotgun putting a load of pellets in my arse.